तो आज हम यहाँ पे कैंट में है होम कमिंग इवेंट एंड वी आर ऑल हियर. एक्चुअली आई एम लिटिल लेट बिकॉज आई हैव समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट टू डू एंड मैं भी आ गया यहाँ पे और दिस इज़ तुर्कमानिस्तान फ्लैग. तो आपको दिखाते हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. कैन आई टेक? थैंक यू. Habibi.
Can you hold it? Wallah.
Habibi Haza Amman.
What does that mean?
You are from Amman. Oman. Yeah.
You say it, Amman?
Oman.
I like that name. Indian name, right?
Just put N. It will be Noman. It's my name. Brother, do you know what is my name? It's just put N here. It will be Noman.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. So I love Oman. I take one more.
Feel free.
Thank you. Jazakallah.
भाई इसने हेयर कट इसलिए कराया लगता है.
He know everything. He knows everything. Yeah.
बोलो डीके ने काली हेयर कट करवाया.
मुझे आज जाना था यार. बहुत गंदे लग रहे हैं बाल.
तो हमारे साथ भी लेगा.
صبر صبر. Check videos on.
Yeah, it's on.
Sometimes we record it and it's like.
Come to Oman.
Where are you going? That way.
That's fair.
Thank you.
Only story.
Jazakallah.
Just take a time.
No, I'm just starting. इससे पूछ के tell us about Turkmenistan.
Go ahead.
So he's a vlogger. He's vlogging.
So we want to know about your products and Turkmenistan, the culture. Yeah,
Do you know where Turkmenistan is located?
yeah, in Asia.
In Central Asia,
Yeah.
yes. These are our, the hats that we embroideries and
So is that
a carpet that is hand woven. It's a national treasure, a traditional. And those bags. And Turkmenistan is mostly desert.
Oh,
As you can see on the map, in the middle of the map, you can see gates of hell or Derweze. It's a constant burning fire.
okay,
It's huge.
okay.
With
is
embroidery.
that what guys wear or what?
Girls.
Girls, yeah, girls.
Telpak where a guy wears that.
Can I
Oh,
wear
very
it?
nice.
Can I wear it?
Yes, you can try.
You can try and later I will try.
Yes.
Oh my God. Take a photo, man.
Made of sheep leather.
Okay. Sheep wool, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Caribbean.
शक्ल भी नहीं दिख रही.
Show some Caribbean.
From here.
Caribbean steps.
The most populous black nation in the world.
Okay, that's very nice. Yeah.
Coincidentally, tomorrow will be our
You are separated from USSR, right?
blessed country.
No, you're not.
Diverse, over 700 ethnic groups.
And I'm from Pakistan. How long will it take to keep hair like this?
5 years.
5 years? Are you sure?
Depend upon your growth.
Okay. I love Turkmenistan. Hello guys, keep watching Steady and Travel on YouTube. Thank you.
My nursing buddy.
Hello guys. Hi. How are you?
How you doing?
I'm good.
Nice to see you again.
Nice meeting you.
remember me?
You didn't text me back.
My bad. I will. I still have your.
I want them to sell another one. Yeah. How are you?
I'm
good.
good. How are you?
I'm good.
You're making a.
Yeah. Yeah. Video is on. So if you are okay, are you okay with it?
I'm Dolly. Hope you enjoy the
So I need
show
to take
so
permission
far.
from everyone.
Sure.
And I want to read a statement